Brakes.
80 Zulu, Romeo Mike, like pattern toe 2 barns, please.
Toe 2 barns, Romeo Mike.
Okay. When you're ready.
Wave traffic 30 Zulu, partially following.
Coordinate on the way out. Straight ahead. Try not to get on the inside of him. Now we're over the lines to the left. Don't keep turning left here for a second. Level, sort of work your way to the outside of the tow plane. There you go, better. Don't turn that steep. And we're back to the runway to the right. Okay. I have the controls. So the first thing I'm doing is I add a little bit of right stick.
Right stick?
Well, just a little. Like
okay.
Yeah, it's delicate, right? Because if you do too much, you're gonna be flung outside.
More right than where he's centered. Just
I like,
maybe not right, but it's right up.
I like to aim for like where the flap and the aileron meet. Okay. Or the bottom of the strut.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, you have the controls.
My controls.
I just don't want you on the inside is all.
Okay. And that's going to be the same, basically it's the same pattern for all the time, so.
Sometimes we turn out to the right, but it's mostly to the left. Yeah.
Should ace that, for sure.
If you just delay your first wanting to turn behind him, you delay that for like 2-3 seconds,
yeah,
it'll put you in the right spot. And I actually had to learn, after I learned how to fly, I had to learn how to do that at my other job.
Basically just let him sling you around for a second.
Yeah, controllably, right? Because we don't want to get too fast outside.
It's all about just not letting the slack in though.
That's right. That's what the right control is doing, is keeping tension in the line. All right, you ready? Good.
It didn't really turn much.
Yeah, well, we're still alive.
But it's so smooth, felt like we're releasing off there that time. Okay.
Neutralize that rudder. After you make that turn, you gotta come back. It's like if we go and do a high toe and do this exercise you did this morning,
yeah,
you did perfect. And now you just gotta keep with what you got from this morning into the rest of your. And I know you're learning a new skill, so I don't expect it to be instant. But
release a little too fast. I can feel the.
All right, so how about a checklist and
gear, traffic. I see him.
Okay.
Wind speed and direction, which looks like it's picking up a little bit. Looks like it might be picking up on the ground slightly as well.
So how are we gonna penetrate?
We're gonna keep our nose down, speed up when we come around on base.
Why don't you go right now? Start on the 45 and 20 more knots than we're doing.
Okay.
We wouldn't even make it if we stayed at 40 here.
Okay.
Okay. Williams traffic, Glider Romeo Mike is left 45 for 16 Williams.
And that's part of the making the quick altitude changes.
Yeah, the longer you sit there at 40 knots, the worse our result was going to be.
Yep.
If we had a tailwind, 40 knots would help us. But because it's a headwind, It is strong. I'm seeing 27 on there now.
Yeah. I like flying fast in the gliders
Yeah.
because you get it's way better responsiveness.
Yeah, it's easy.
And it's the sound is a lot
Uh-huh.
more engaging.
Uh-huh.
It makes you want to do more. All right, so I'm at 1,000 now. Probably gonna be a little less than 900,
Okay.
which is good because of my speed is really high.
And you see why that happened, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the wind is a little bit faster. I want to get my ground speed up, so I'm moving towards the runway at a reasonable pace.
Well, just the thing about leaving at what altitude and its effect and the flying slowly. Go ahead and check the spoilers before you